Many people enjoy listening to music while driving, studying, riding the train, or exercising. When exercising, you'll likely choose music with a clear beat and fast tempo. In contrast, the background music in a fine dining restaurant is typically slow and calm. Tempo and rhythm play crucial roles in shaping the mood and character of music. In this video, we will explore how musical time is notated and described. Let's begin with note values, which indicate how long a note lasts. For example, this is a quarter note, and this is a half note. If a quarter note lasts for 1 second, a half note lasts for 2 seconds. The relationship between these note values is relative. A half note is always twice as long as a quarter note. If a quarter note lasts for 2 seconds, then a half note would last 4 seconds. A whole note is twice as long as a half note, while an eighth note is half the duration of a quarter note. This illustration outlines the relationships between whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. Simply putting a series of musical notes together isn't enough to create music that is interesting or recognizable. The beat is a basic unit of time that flows throughout a song, much like our heartbeat at regular intervals. A beat can be represented by a quarter note, half note, or any note duration. A meter or time signature consists of 2 numbers and appears at the beginning of the staff. In 2/4 time, it tells us there are 2 beats per measure, with each beat represented by a quarter note. Think of a measure containing music notes as a card containing animals. The symbol 2/elephant means we have 2 elephants in each card, while 3/giraffe means we have 3 giraffes in each card. If the bottom number of a meter is 4, it means a quarter note is the basic beat, and each measure must contain a combination of notes that adds up to 2 quarter note values. Here is an example. I will count each quarter note as ta, half note as ta-a, and eighth note as ti. This is what it sounds like. 1, 2, ta, 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 a, ti, 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 ta, a. In 3/4 time, this means there are 3 beats in each measure and each beat is a quarter note. Here is an example, and this is what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3. Ta, 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 a. Ta, a, ta, 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 ta. Finally, we use the Italian word tempo to describe how fast or slow music is. The metronome is a valuable tool for determining the beats in music. BPM, or beats per minute, indicates the tempo. For example, BPM equals to 120 means there are 120 beats per minute. BPM equals to 160 is a fast tempo, while a smaller number like 50 indicates a slower tempo. Additionally, composers use various terms such as allegro, adagio, presto, and moderato to describe the speed of music. Now is quiz time. If you need time to think, please pause the video here. And here are the answers. I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.